Ki pulit ka Ri Bhoi ki la penlong ya ka jingsam khusnam hanin ka sngi haphalau ka SP office ban itho ya ka jingshakri ba radbah jong ki officer bat constable jong ki ka DGP jong ka jilla ikong ida shisha nongrang ila sa mi ki khusnam da ka barakhi ya ka benta ba kongsan jong ki pulit ban wanra ya ka jingshngan jong ki nongshong shnong ka district hagari ka sngi la sakhi lang da he pulit ka Ri Bhoi u Jakpal Singh Dhanwa uba banrap lang jirwa bat kiwei Lasam ya ka khusnam kerpang shaw unarmed branch constable uba Alan Marbanyang bat siya i woman police constable ikong Wadalins Imyong naka 6 battalion umran kabalayo ban khur ya ka takmak siar haka 73rd All India Police Wrestling Cluster Arhajar Arpusaw kabalalong ha Uttar Pradesh.
I'm so glad that I've finally been able to come to Ri Bhoi district and on such an occasion. It's even greater pleasure that I noticed that you, the people who are getting recommendations and rewards today, come from every single unit of Ri Bhoi police, whether it's the armed branch, whether it's the unarmed branch, whether it's the SF10, whether it's the SOT, whether it's the PSOs, whether it's the drivers. I am so happy to see that there is this working together. It is this working together as a team which will lead us to greater achievements and greater glories. I wish you all the very best and congratulations once again.